Rob McMahon with Expert Village. Now, the different types of nail guns range with different range of costs and different types of quality. This is one of the top of the line of Senko for the clipped head. This runs about $350. The longer magazines are a little cheaper, and depending on the model that you get, they can range anywhere from $200 to close to $400. The coil nailers tend to be more expensive. They can run anywhere from $300 to close to $500. So you've got to choose your gun for the purposes that you're going to be using it for, and be careful how much you spend. This gun here is particularly really good for framing because of the clipped head. Now, if you want to use it for, say, decking or any type of framing where the nail heads will be seen, you might want the round head, the full round head for aesthetic purposes, in which case you would want the extended magazine or the coil nailer.